Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to boost sales and profits with the highest converting Shopify pages out there. Let's jump right into it. And building Shopify pages that convert, this is all about how to do it the right way. And every single store needs to increase sales. They need to increase conversion rates. That's how you grow your store, that's how you scale, and that's how you make money. And your Shopify pages play a huge role in how much money you make. You need to design and have pages that convert highly, that engage the customer, and that sell your product at a very high level. And a really popular strategy right now is to use EComposer to build custom pages and templates inside of Shopify that significantly increase conversion rate, significantly increase profit, and put more money in your pocket. Now, you might run into some pain points when you want to go ahead and implement this strategy. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. And most importantly, the app should be super easy to use. You don't need to learn any type of coding or be a programmer or hire any type of programming help. You don't need any prior technological skills at all to use this app. And the app must have pre-made templates and extensions to work with any brand, with any product. It doesn't matter if you're print on demand or drop shipping or digital products, or if you're a new brand or an old brand, you want to be able to immediately jump into these high converting templates and pages. And that's why you're going to use eComposer. I highly recommend it. I'm going to show you over the shoulder. We'll go step by step. I'll show you how to build these pages, which pages to look at, which templates to check out. They really have everything handled. And again, you see the link directly below this video. eComposer, highly recommended. I'm going to show you right now the Shopify App Store. First thing you want to pay attention to, a perfect 5 out of 5 star reviews on over 4,000 reviews. It's very hard to come by to find an app that has a perfect review score over here. And of course, you see the Built for Shopify badge. You know that means that eComposer is one of, if not the best, apps out in the entire Shopify App Store. Shopify really only hands that out to just a few apps in total, not just landing page builders, just in terms of apps in total. Shopify giving that Built for Shopify badge really, really huge. So perfect review score, Built for Shopify badge. They are by far the best and fastest page builder. You could literally build any type of page that you want. You could do landing pages, home pages, collection pages. Of course, you can create so many different product pages, and it's all in this live drag and drop page builder. Over 25 different high converting templates that allow you to work quickly. Also tons of analytics, stats, and data. So you always understand exactly what's going on. I mean, literally you can create all these different types of pages. 404 pages, about us, blogs, careers, cart, collections, coming soon. The list goes on. Really all customizable, all easy to do, and requiring no code at all. You see the link for this Shopify app directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder now. I'm going to show you eComposer inside of my store. I'll walk you through exactly how to set things up, and I'll show you just how easy it is to build these high converting pages. So once you press install, you'll be brought onto the onboarding section for eComposer, and you see their great support over here, always available inside the app. Really highly recommended in terms of their team. So this is how we're going to be able to use eComposer. We'll be able to create any type of page. We're going to have all these different essential custom pages. We have 100 plus elements to drag and drop. We have lots of different page templates, section layouts, and 20 plus conversion rate optimization extensions that are really going to increase that conversion rate and drive those sales. So we'll just go through this step by step over here. It's going to ask us which theme we want to publish this on. It's going to default to your active theme. You're going to talk about which page do you want to build first, landing pages, home page, product page, right? All these different sections over here. We're going to go with the landing page, and now we're going to have all these templates. And you see that we could also select from the entire library here. Let's say we click on home. We'll start to see templates for home or for product, for example. We'll be able to see product, and this is going to be very useful for you over here in terms of these product pages. Of course, you could always start with a blank template, but you can go with some of these winning products, or winning product pages, I should say. And these are proven to work. These are high converting, and you see when we click on them, we're able to actually go into the preview live and see exactly how this is going to look. And you immediately see this is a big difference between a typical Shopify page, even in a premium theme, than what we're seeing right here. I mean, this is something that looks really great. Obviously going to be fully customizable in terms of the content, the imagery, everything for our store. And lots of different previews that we could take a look at in terms of different stylings and different landing pages. And here's one for guitars, and see really cool kind of text streaming through up top and great sections over here. All these sections and templates, they're all available inside of EComposer. It's really powerful. So really the idea is that we just want to find a template that we like, and we're going to go ahead and run with that. I'm going to go back over here now as we continue to build out. Right, we could have more previews, but I'm going to go ahead and select Serum Product as our style here. We're going to be building that product page. See multiple pages of templates here, right? And you want to take a look at another one, just say, okay, let's preview this. Really like this, right? We have the little scarcity timer here to have the countdown. So this is going to drive conversion. This is going to drive sales. You see the different sections that are available inside here, all the way down into the FAQs, right? So really nice landing page options throughout. We're going to go with the Serum product page. We're going to give it a template name to start. I'll call this sample product page. And now we'll go over here. We could change the slug if we want. Say something like, current promotion. You can name it whatever you want. Now we have the header and footer. So this is important. This is going to take, and I'll open up my store real quick. This is going to automatically take our header and our footer and include that in all page templates. So that's really important here, very easy to do. We'll want to include that, but if you didn't for some reason, you could hide that. We're going to click Start Building now, and it's going to go into our template editor. We're going to be able to now go and drag and drop. So a couple different things in terms of inserting the template, right? It's going to insert under current layout in the editor. It's going to keep all the default typography. Really just the idea is that we want to match look and feel. And this is what I was talking about in terms of the header, right? You see our header and our footer automatically coming through. So now that this comes in, we have our template set up. And if you notice, we have different sections about our product that are automatically pulled in. I didn't change anything. I didn't select any different option. We have the ability now to take a look at individual sections here, option by option, and in some cases going to auto-populate information like the different variants, right? We have black, we have blue, we have different size variants, right? So that all comes over automatically, right? We have about product. This is our product description. It's brought over automatically, right? We might have some sections that we don't want. We'll be able to kind of go through here and take a look at what we do want, what we don't want. We could remove sections at any time as well. So really powerful. Literally, you just hover over things and you're able to delete or change the entire setup. So we have that over here. We have our little hide button. So I'm going to hide the ingredients and how to use. Not very relevant for my brand. Over here, okay, we have our banner, right? And it's literally as easy as just point and click. Or we want to change the text, we'll say change it to anything. So how about we say something like benefit number 1, and then we can put over here benefit number 2, and then benefit number 3, and we'd go through and we'd even be able to come over here and change our imagery, right? We can use some of our product imagery. We could use really whatever that we want inside here, and we can go through and take a look at all of our products. How about I go ahead and start using some of our models over here. So I'll start to kind of change this entire theme to look really exactly the way that we want. So come over here and I'll edit this as well. Whoops. And you see we have the full editing capabilities here. We're going to be able to even crop the images. So I'll come over and select that. And we can crop size here so we can fit it directly in, and always saving our progress over here. Basically the idea is that we're going to customize this top to bottom exactly how we want. We have our reviews over here, right? We can change any of the text that we want. Let's say we say 509 reviews, okay, and we have our stars in there, right? We have our price in there. Let's say we want to change anything about this, right? We come over here and we go into the design, and we can now change things like the entire design here. We could change these settings, the color, of course, right? Let's say we want to make it red or something like that. Simple to do that. We'll just save that over here, and it's literally all inside here. If you don't like something, you simply just hide it and turn it off. When you turn it back on, it simply just comes right back. So really, really powerful. Again, saving your progress over here, making sure everything's good. Everything is editable, right? You want to change this. Maybe free shipping doesn't apply to you. You could say, come over here and say fast shipping, okay? So literally easy to customize this. This is just one template. right? Just one template, right? And let's say we want to add more things over here. We could completely edit that. You see we have the design ability to change the typography, so we want to go black and literally everything, right? Even the spacing, the margins, the text shadows, it's all available to us inside of the editor. We've done this over here. Here's our related product section, automatically pulling these products, right? So we don't need to come over here. It's going to go ahead and find a collection of our products and showcase it right here. Maybe we don't want to say it. How about we say, you'll also love these. Okay, any text you want, any customization you want, fitting right into our theme. When you're happy with the changes, you simply press publish. You're going to give it a template name. You can change the slug over here for the URL. And then you want to go ahead and apply for products. So you'll have these different options: apply for all products, specific products, or collection. I went ahead and selected apply for specific products. It's going to allow you to then select the product that you want to connect to this template. So I'm going to go with our no-fly zone shirt. See, again, we have our header footer. I'm going to press save and publish. This is now going to publish this page using this template. In fact, we can just come over here, click view. It's going to now bring over my Shopify store, and you see that exact template. You see the reviews, you see the stars, you see the pricing that I changed in terms of the color. You see all the different variants and the buttons and really every single section that we created, right? I put this over here, I changed this text, I showed these products, literally everything. It fits right inside of my theme. Super, super easy. This is the power of this app. I mean, EComposer, it lets you use all these different templates. This is just one example. You could have so many different templates for different products. You see that you have the ability to individualize each template and connect it to whatever product you want. It's incredibly powerful. And that was eComposer. You see the link directly below this video. The easiest, the fastest, the best page builder out there. You could literally build any type of page, any type of section using all those great templates, the drag and drop editor. It's super, super easy, and you saw it live in action. So just follow along step by step. Literally one of the only, if not the only app I've ever seen with a 5.0 review score on so many reviews that built for Shopify badge. You know it's a great app. Again, highly recommended. Get it in your store right now, build those high converting pages, and I hope this helps you make a lot of money.